And we are back, ladies and gentlemen, in this very interesting tag team. The first ever, I think, tag team boiler room. There's too much action to watch at the moment. Oh my god. Borris, this match has been back and forth all the way through. Oh my god. Right off of Kippy's injured knee. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. 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 Oh my god. They're trying to escape. Oh my god. Oh my. Billy. Oh, no, Billy Bob is up there. Oh. One is gone. He's out of the match. He's out of the match. So it is now a handicap match. Borris Frost was not able to escape along with his tag team partner. So this makes the job a little bit easier for the Cool Masters, but they can make, who knows? What? Oh. Oh.
I'm already out. I won.
Oh yeah. You like that?
Kippy Kappy. Okay. Oh my god, with that table. Oh. Oh, Cool J's leaving. Oh no. It's gonna be a one-on-one match. Cool J's officially out of the match. Now, this is what we were assuming it would come to. One-on-one. One-on-one.
Hey, get down.
Kippy's trying to leave.
Get back here.
Oh, they're trying to leave. Oh! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? He hit his own partner. Kippy's out. Kippy's out. Well, here are your winners. And still, the tag team champions. The Cool Masters. He hit his own partner while he was trying to escape. That was bad teamwork, bad communication. Oh my god. Oh my god. He is... Kippy Kappy. And such a very interesting debut. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that was his debut. Oh my god. What? Wow.
Pretty much.
Bitch.
Oh my god.
You never